Hey, what's up, everybody? So welcome to a segment called Cooking with Friends. I love to cook. I love to eat. I love my friends who love to cook. I love to travel. So I figured let's mix this all up and create a new segment where we get to do a little sneak peek into my friends' homes from all over the world. We see what they're cooking these days, especially since we're doing a lot of cooking at home. So I'm Risa Morimoto, your host. You're watching Modern Aging, where we chat about innovative and holistic ways to optimize our health and well-being as we age. I want you to click on that little subscribe button below that says subscribe and the little bell next to it, and then you'll be sure to be notified whenever a new episode is uploaded. You can also check out our website at thisismodernaging.com. So today, my friend Sheila Cabalda, she's going to make a Filipino dish with her daughter. I'm super excited to check this out and to actually try to make it afterwards. So check it out. What are we going to make today?
A Filipino eggplant.
Filipino eggplant? What is it called, Sheila?
The dish is called Poqui Poqui, and it's a Filipino Ilocano traditional dish. Roasted eggplant with tomato, onion, garlic, and egg.
Oh, yum.
And then serve it over. We have leftover brown rice from last night, so we're going to serve it over leftover brown rice. And you can have it for breakfast, lunch.
Yeah, or dinner.
Dinner.
All right, cool. Let's do it.
Preset the oven to 400. And once that's set, we will put the eggplant in. So bake 400. Now here in Virginia, we don't have gas stoves. Everything is electric. So that's very different from when we were in Jersey.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I could do that. I mean, I know most people have electric stoves, but I love my gas stove. I don't know.
I know. It's something we miss. So we have 2 Chinese eggplants.
Can you use regular eggplants too?
You can. And I'm just gonna pierce the eggplant, just a few holes in each one. I'm gonna spray the pan just a little bit to make sure it doesn't stick. And we're gonna wait for the oven to preheat before we put them in. And in the meantime, I've got my 1 small onion, and 2 tomatoes. So we're just going to slice them up. I'm not really a great chef, so I just chop it up as I'm feeling in the moment.
well, that's what's great, right? Because then everybody can do it. Everyone feels like they can do it, which I think is awesome. But you've cooked for me. You've cooked some really great things for me. So now Mom's just chopping up the onion.
Yep. I'm just roughly chopping them up. Some people like their onions finely diced. I'm just chop them up kind of gal.
That's fair. But you can do it. Doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter for this.
No, it doesn't matter. I mean, you're just throwing it all together. We'll saute the onions and garlic. And now I'm doing the tomatoes. I'm just gonna, cube them.
And does it matter if I see you're using like plum tomatoes.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me. So we have 2 tomatoes, 1 yellow onion. Actually, I didn't have any fresh garlic, so I have what's left in my minced garlic jar. So I'll use that. And then we just have our pepper. We don't use salt in our household just because we like to be really healthy conscious. And that's just from growing up. My dad had heart issues. So Al has heart issues. So we don't really use salt. Some people also like to add a little bit of fish sauce to the dish, but we don't do that either. Okay, and the eggplant. Put our timer on for 15 minutes. All right.
So now what?
We're ready to scramble some eggs.
Crack the eggs.
Okay, crack the eggs. Harder. want to pour the splash of milk? Just a splash.
Just a splash, Nyla. Stage fright. So I guess if you don't, I guess you can use like almond milk. Can you use other milks, or it has to be dairy milk?
We have
I know
another
you
milk.
can use milk, any other milk. You don't have to use any milk. I just like to, yep. I just like to use milk to make it a little fluffier. Eggplant's done. It's a nice roasted brown. Now we have to let it cool for about 10 minutes or so we can peel the skin off. Record. Yep, it's recording.
So if it doesn't peel easy, that means it's not cooked enough.
It's not ready. Yeah.
Oh, that looks really easy.
Yeah. Do you want to be? It's really hot.
I love eggplant.
So I'm just slicing it up a little bit.
And why do you do that? So then you just
Because I'm going to throw it in with the tomatoes and onions so that it's not whole when I throw it in.
Ah, does it get, and then it mashes up even more once you cook it?
Yeah. All right, so we're ready to put it all together. I'm going to turn the oven on.
Turn the oven or the stove?
I mean the stove. Yes, the stove. Turn the stove on. We're going to do a splash of olive oil. I have minced garlic. Of course, you can use fresh garlic. We didn't have any, so I'm using whatever is left over here in the minced garlic jar.
And then
So you use like, it's almost like a clove or two worth.
Yes. And then onions and tomatoes. Yep, hang on. I'm going to get this knife out of the way. Now it's cooking on high. Again,
Nice.
This is an electric oven, so I'm going to put in a little pepper. You can put crushed red pepper if you like. I love spicy, but Al does not like spicy, so usually what I end up is after the dish is made, I always end up putting a little hot sauce in for my own
On your
serving.
portion? Yeah. That's like, yeah, that's the same with me and Paul.
I'm going to throw in the eggplant. I got tiny bits of skin in there, but that's okay. So you do this for like 5-10 minutes. Again, I'm not very particular. I'm kind of just throw it in all together.
That's the best
Kinda
way.
quick. And we have these eggs that we scrambled.
So wait, do you wait until the eggplant is a certain color?
Well, right now it's mashed up pretty good. So, no, you don't have to wait till it's a certain color. I mean, it's already cooked coming out of the oven.
Right.
Quick beat. And then you just pour it over. And just mix it all up.
Oh, yum.
And it sounds like its name, Poqui Poqui.
Well, it's nice because it's also easy, right? And fast.
Yeah. I'm all about 30 minutes and under. And then you just put your eggplant and egg, your Poqui Poqui over the rice. You can add hot sauce if you like. Oops. And it's ready to go. There you go.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's
Really?
try.
We're gonna try it now.
okay.
All right. Hot.
Good.
Oh,